Hi students, I am Miss Garcia and I'm going to help you with decimal place value. Okay, now here is our decimal place value chart. As you can see, there is this decimal point over there. Okay, let me change the color of my pen. All right, so there is a decimal point over here right in the middle. So if we put 31 and 42. All right. So this one is our decimal, which is here. So before the decimal, we have 3 10s and 1 1s. But look, after the decimal, we have this number. So we put here 4 10ths and 2 hundredths. All right, as you can see, we do not have ones after the decimal. So whatever you see after the decimal, you will start with tenths. All right, so let's look at another example. If I have 325.163, so this is, we are in the hundreds. So I'm going to put 300s, 2 10s, 5 1s. Then after the decimal, I will have 1 10ths, 600ths, and 3 thousandths. But look, the tenths here is not the same as tens here. They have different spelling. The hundreds here and the hundreds here, they are very different in spelling. All right? So when you write it down on your paper, when the teacher asks you to tell me what value is 1 after the decimal, so this will be tenths. And 6 will be hundredths with the THS, and we have 3 as thousands. Okay, so you go back and check your spelling and be sure that you are writing it with the correct THS at the end if it's asking for the value of the decimal places after the decimal. All right.